Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my new subs. Thanks everyone for subscribing and supporting the channel. So today what we're gonna do is we are gonna upgrade our trunk light, our standard bulb, to an LED bulb, and we're gonna see if it improves the overall lighting appearance in a dark environment. So we're gonna do the disassembly, do the install, and then we'll compare the lights side by side. And you tell me what you think, and let's see if it's worth the upgrade. Let's get to it. All right, this is our factory light. You can see there's shoes in the back. You can see our pins, our tool. Let's see if we can put in something else there to get a better reference. Yeah, so, and of course the video always enhances what's there. The tool in the Armor All Shine is nowhere near as bright as that. The shoes are somewhat consistent on the right side, but this is what it is, what we're getting from the video though. But this is the factory light. So anytime you're removing push pins, it's always a handy to have door panel remover. So this will help you pop those pins out. I did have one, I just couldn't find it, but this is about, I think, 12, 13 bucks at your local parts store. So just an FYI, if you're gonna do it, it's a must. You get under the pin, sometimes there's a little resistance, and then you just work it out gently, and it pops it out. So these get kind of destroyed after a while, but they seem to work. And this is over-the-counter part, not a big deal to replace. You got two on each side, left, right, and then you have two threaded screws, if you will, that hold the top on. Once you get them both off, there's pins here in the back. You lift this panel straight up and it pops it out, and then it gives you access to your light. All right, behind the light, it's a covering. You gotta squeeze and then just kind of pull it out. And then you can get to the light. All right, we got the shield off, as you saw, and what we're gonna do is we are gonna gently pop this upward. It's like a fuse holder to get the light out. It actually looks like a fuse. Now you can touch LED lights with your fingers. It's the halogen HIDs that cause an issue with the oils in your on your skin. All right, we got that out. We're gonna put the new one in. So the part number we use for the Sylvania LED is 578, and it gives you a cross reference below, but this is a puppy now. This is the old lamp. This is not the LED. Okay, we popped this one in. So apparently there are two sides of polarity on LEDs. So you're gonna pop it out, flip it around, and then we're gonna pop it back in, and let's see what happens. There we go. So we'll get this button back up and then let you guys see what it looks like. On that reinstall, you also want to make sure you don't pull your molding down. So make sure it's pulled out so it can make that proper seal on your trunk. Then, as I said earlier, put your buttons in, your screws in, we'll be good to go. Okay, so we got the LED in, and I'll be honest with you, it's really hard for me to tell the difference. I think there's a broader range of light as opposed to, like, in the corners it seems to be brighter versus the standard bulb. But anyways, we're gonna leave it in and call it good. You choose. All right, so here's another perspective with more items in the trunk. It's actually looking pretty bright now, but again, as I said, the video's enhancing. We're gonna take a look at how bright the light is this way. But again, in my opinion, it's really close, and it's really hard to tell. Really hard to tell which one is which one's better. I would almost say the factory, like I said, is a little wider, broader. I'm fine with the way it is, but we'll leave it at that. All right, well, anyways, hope you guys liked the video. And again, you guys decide whether or not you want to upgrade to a LED light. Now, again, I do want to say when we upgraded the front headlights to the Sylvania Ultra Bright, those were great. That was a great upgrade. In this case, not so much, you know what I mean? But anyways, it is what it is. I thought I'd share it with you guys. So it's all good, man. Hey, guys, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and take care.